Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to download Facebook video. Friends, while using Facebook, sometimes we like some video which we want to download and share. So to download any video, first we need to go to the video section. Now here select any video which we want to download. Now suppose if you want to download this video, then you simply need to press on the three dots. Now here you need to press on copy link. Now after copying the link, you need to open a web browser. In your web browser, you need to open fbdown.net. Now here you need to paste the link. And press on download. Now from here you can select the quality of the video. Like you can download this video in a normal quality or you can download this video in HD quality also. Now here you need to press on these three dots and press on download. Now friends, as you can see, now this video is downloaded on our mobile phone, and press on open to open this video. Now friends, this video is downloaded on our mobile phone and we can share it on other platform or we can play it anytime without internet also. So friends, like this you can very easily download your Facebook video. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.